Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with the Art and Science of Ceramics. In this session, we will discuss about the determination of apparent porosity and the bulk density of refractory bricks. Determination of apparent porosity OP and bulk density BD of refractory bricks. Now there are two methods. First one is evacuation method. And second is water boiling method. Water boiling method. Now, evacuation method is applicable for all types of refractories. Types of refractories. Evacuation method can be used for any type of refractory bricks, where water boiling method is applicable for burnt refractory bricks only. Test pieces are at least 3 test pieces are taken. Size is at least 50 ml. And liquid used is liquid paraffin. This liquid can be used for any types of refractory bricks. Now, in evacuation method, steps are: test pieces are, or you can say samples, are dried at 110 degrees Celsius. Then cooled to room temperature. Then dry weight is taken. Let dry weight is D. Capital D is the dry weight. Next, these test samples are put in after taking dry weight. Samples are put in desiccator connected to a vacuum pump. Evacuation is done to 25 mm pressure of mercury. In samples, air is completely evacuated, then liquid is slowly added, maintaining the reduced pressure. The reduced pressure till samples are completely covered with the liquid. Reduced pressure is maintained further for a few minutes. Reduced pressure is maintained for the for few minutes. After that, suspended weight is taken. After that, suspended weight of the samples are taken by suspending samples in the liquid. Let this weight is S. Next, samples are taken out and soaked weight is taken. Soaked weight is taken after taking out the samples. And wiping the extra liquid on the surface. Let this weight is denoted as W. W is the soaked weight. Means open pores are filled with the liquid. Now here we have number 1, dry weight, D, suspended weight, S, and third is the soaked weight. Is W. Now these methods are based on Archimedes Principle. These methods are based on Archimedes Principle, according to which if a body is immersed partially or completely fully in a liquid, then there is apparent loss in weight of the sample, and that loss in weight is equal to weight of the liquid displaced by the sample. Methods are based on Archimedes Principle. When a body is immersed partially or fully in a fluid or liquid, there is an apparent loss in weight the body which is equal to weight of the liquid displaced. For example, suppose there is a container and liquid is filled up to here. Now if you immerse an object fully, then level of the liquid rises to somewhere here. This is rise in level. So this is the volume of liquid displaced by immersing this object in the liquid. So loss in weight is equal to weight of this liquid when an object is immersed in some fluid or liquid. So here we have taken dry weight D, suspended weight S, and soaked weight W. Dry weight and soaked weight. Soaked weight is dry weight plus liquid which are filled in pores of the solid. So weight of solid, dry weight plus weight of the liquid which has entered in the open pores. Therefore, W minus D the weight of liquid entered in the open pores. There are two types of pores in any object or body, that is open pores and closed pores. So here liquid can enter only in open pores. So W minus D is the weight of the liquid that has entered inside the pores. and W minus S, that is soaked weight and suspended weight. Soaked weight is dry weight plus liquid that has entered inside the pores. This gives the bulk volume of the object, test sample. This gives the bulk volume of the sample. Therefore, apparent porosity is volume of liquid that has entered inside the pores, that is W minus D upon total volume of the solid, that is W minus S into 100. It is in percent. This is the apparent porosity. And bulk density is dry weight divided by bulk volume. Dry weight divided by bulk volume, that is W minus S, and multiplied by density of the liquid. Here D is the density of the liquid. Next is the water boiling method. Water boiling method. As in the first case, dry weight is taken. Weight is taken after drying at under 10 degrees Celsius and cooling to room temperature. Then samples are put in container. In a container having water. 2 hours. After boiling, samples are cooled. Keeping inside water. Samples may be cooled fast by putting the container under running water. After cooling, suspended weights are taken in water. Suspended weights are taken. In water, suspending in water. Then soaked weight, suspended weight is then soaked weight are taken by taking out the samples and wiping out the surface of the samples with damp cloth to remove the excess moisture on the surface. Next is soaked weight are taken. Soaked weights are taken after taking out the samples. Wiping the surface with damp cloths. To remove excess, to remove water from the surface. Of the samples. Let this weight be W. Now apparent porosity and bulk density are calculated as before. Apparent porosity percent equal to W minus D upon W minus S to 100. And bulk density in gram porosity equal to dry weight divided by bulk volume, that is W minus S. Density of the liquid can multiply if liquid is any other liquid is taken in place of water. The density of water is 1, so there is no need of it. But if you take any other liquid, then you have to multiply with the density of the liquid. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.